Hey everyone, and welcome back to Epic Gun Time. It's been a while since we produced a video. I had to take a break. Because my mom got ill, and I had the honor, the privilege of getting to care for my mom quite a bit during the last months of her life. And my mom did end up passing away a few months back. I just took a lot of time off from things like this to care for her. But I tell you, the creative juices are flowing again, and I'm excited about the videos, the content that we have ahead. I have a lot of unboxings of new products and things like that I want to do, and looking forward to growing this channel with you guys. Since then, since this last video, we continue to get daily comments and views on the videos we've done. And a lot of the videos we've done are on charging handles, which is kind of funny. I have learned a lot since the last charging handle video we created. We went through a lot of charging handles. Let's quick overview. I think the last video we did, we talked about how lame the original Aero Precision charging handle was, the ambidextrous one. Since then, Aero Precision's come out with these two. The Aero Precision Breach, these charging handles, the small and the large. These are great charging handles. The Radian Raptor was always a good one, and people seem to really like that one in the comments, I notice. And then the Geisley charging handle, super rad. It's a great product. And then of course, you got, this is, compare those to the, stock charging handle that comes with any AR-15. This is pretty lame, and that's why we immediately have to go towards these ambidextrous charging handles and get rid of this thing, because it's terrible. You can only charge it, grab it from one side, and definitely if you have the option of going ambidextrous, that just makes you a much more efficient when you are charging your weapon. Here's another kind of funky charging handle I got from V7 Systems, Weapon Systems. I purchased a V7 Weapon Systems AR-15, and it's pretty sweet. It's super lightweight. I think it's like 4.5 pounds at the most. And we might do a video review on that. It's a very lightweight AR-15, full-size AR-15. But anyways, the charging handle they provided here was it's almost like a stock charging handle, but they just made it easier to grab on the left hand side here. So it's not ambidextrous, there's nothing on the right side, but they did make it easier to kind of grab from the left. And anyways, I swapped this out pretty quickly. I threw a Geisley charging handle in that particular AR-15. But I tell you what I want to talk about today is there's a charging handle that came onto my radar recently, and the reason it came onto my radar was I've been shooting suppressed. I've been shooting suppressed a lot lately. I got some tack stamps, some suppressors on my weapons, a few of them now, and maybe we'll do some reviews here soon of those. But as you may know, if you've suppressed any weapons, you all of a sudden have to deal with gas issues. And not from eating a bunch of beans, but you just get more gas, issues, back pressure and things like that when you are shooting suppressed. That gas has to go somewhere, and it ends up going back at the operator. And so us guys that are, especially us guys that are doing the direct impingement AR-15s and not the piston-driven AR-15s, we're trying to mitigate that. And I've been doing a few different things. One of the things I did was I changed out the bolt carrier group in the AR-15, and that seemed to help a little bit. There's these different ones that you can switch to suppressed or unsuppressed, and it redirects the gas, helps redirect the gas a little bit. The other thing I've been trying to figure out is my charging handle that I thought were supposed to be good for suppressed weapons are not. And so I did some more research, talked to some more people, and this charging handle came onto my radar. This is, I thought this was the only charging handle that Radian Raptor made. This is the one, we talked about prior. It's a good one for sure. It wasn't my favorite, but it's very good. But Radian Raptor has the, they call it the Raptor SD. And this is what's cool about this. Let's go ahead and open this up. It says here at the bottom, gas venting ambidextrous charging handle. And this is why it's so cool. Okay, here it is. Look at this. Look at these ports in the sides. So, okay, what's awesome about this is the gas, instead of coming back at the operator, is now being vented through the sides when you shoot. This is pretty rad. And I tell you what, I took this out to the range. I bought a couple of these for different weapons. I took this out to the range, actually with my 300 blackout here, and the gas mitigation was way better. I mean, the gas wasn't going in my face. I wasn't smelling it so hard, and this is very effective. I highly recommend. This is in my mind now the best charging handle on the market. So I'm always learning things. I'm sure that there's other companies that have charging handles that may do a similar thing. Let me know in the comments for sure. But this one's super great. Look at that. Look at how they designed this thing to shoot the gas kind of forward and out. So I mean, this is definitely ideal. So again, this is the Radian Raptor SD. Once I learned about this, I ordered a few of them, and I have been so pleased. I got them in my 5.56 AR-15s that are suppressed and my 300 blackout. It says on the back here, patented Raptor SD is optimized for use with a silencer. Features a ported shaft designed to redirect blowback gases down and forward, away from the shooter's face. My word. It does a great job. Highly recommended. If you have this one, will you please leave a comment down below? And then also, if there's other companies that are doing something similar, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let us all know. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this quick update on ambidextrous charging handles. This is probably the last charging handle you'll see on this channel for a while, just because we've gone through a lot of charging handles, and we need to get into some other content. And so I'm going to be actually like reviewing a helmet I got recently. We got some ear pro for the helmet. We got some other gear for the helmet. We got some night vision. We have other new optics from Hollow Sun we want to review. And so stay tuned. A lot of great content coming down the pike. Thanks again for your patience, guys. I hope you are all having a great holiday season. And thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time.